Good morning everyone, and for today's product of the day we are going to see the Undersense 3-in-1 lash primer. That's the one we are going to see. Let's see why we use it. Before that, I never used any primer, so I like to use it for whenever I use either our non-waterproof or waterproof. You can pretty much use the lash primer along with these, or you can layer them too. So it works with any combinations you do, and I don't do for every day. I specifically do for few days because it gives like that extra volume that really boosts the look. So let's go ahead and see how it helps. So it's called a 3-in-1 because it conditions the lashes, it lengthens the lashes, and also it volumizes. So that's why it's called 3-in-1. So whether you get the lash sense or these two, all three has the important ingredient called Capixel, which is the one that is going to optimize the natural growth cycle of the eyelashes. This Capixel is also in our hair recovery product, the shampoo, conditioner and serum, because that is again going to help our hair growth. So that's the major ingredient that is going to help strengthen the lashes here. The primer also has another ingredient that is called biotenol peptide 1. What it does is it's going to boost the growth of the lashes as you continually use them, and also stimulates the growth of the hair follicles. It strengthens them. That's why it's going to reduce the fallout. So that's why it's going to help lengthen the lashes while you wear them. So that is one cool thing I like about any of the Senegen's makeup. They have a purpose in them that is going to not only show as a makeup product, but also it acts as a like a skincare product, or helps to grow or condition or strengthen them. So that's the cool thing about it. Even if you see Lipsense, they always moisturizes the lips, not going to dry it at all. Not only it's smudge resistant, but it's going to protect your lips. So that's the good thing when you choose a makeup product. So if you see the lash primer, it's actually beige in color. If it is to it's to help the black or black brown that's going to go on top. It will intensify the color, and having it beige is going to help you cover every lash. Actually, if you think of this way, like if you have it in black, then you won't even know which lashes you have covered and which lashes you didn't cover. So this way you know that you have coated every single one of them before you go ahead with the mascara. So I always like to sit on top of either the primer or the mascara before I go ahead, or you can keep it closer to your body, or you can just run it under hot water, or even under you can blow dry it. That's when the mascara or these applies really well. It is like how you have the coconut oil melted, something like that. Like, I mean, it becomes more smoother to apply, and I like to take one time, and I don't like to go and apply more and more. But what you like to do is you like to apply it from the root. That way you can coat every single one of the lashes, and it's going to let it sit for 1 minute or 30 seconds before I go ahead and apply the mascara. Let me show the finished one. So can you see the difference between the one I did and the one of my natural lashes? You can see how much it has given the volume and also the length, and this way it's going to you will know how many things you need to coat, and it gives the lashes a nice length to it. So I'm going to do the non-waterproof on top of this, and I'm going to do just the non-waterproof on this side so that you can see the difference. I did the bottom one too. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do the non-waterproof, just the non-waterproof on this side. I'm going to do the non-waterproof on top of the Lash Sense primer too. That way you can see how much difference the primer can give. So let me finish it and show you the difference. Okay, I just finished. I want want you to see the difference between just the what is it, like the mascara. There is nothing wrong about it, but you can see how much the difference it makes when you layer it with the lash primer, because the lash primer is not only going to lengthen it, but it also gives a nice volume to it, which I really like about it. So whenever the day I get ready, I always make sure I do the undersense, obviously. And also, as I mentioned, it is going to help as we age. Obviously our collagen, everything going to go down, so there will be not that voluminous. So I really like it to give that full volume instead of using a false lashes. Here you can see it's already nice and full. So that's the one I wanted to cover. So hope you all liked it. Have a wonderful day.